Information about Brachychiton populneus. Brachychiton populneus, commonly known as the Kurrajong tree or bottle tree, is a species of flowering tree native to Australia. It belongs to the family Malvaceae and can grow up to 18 meters tall in its natural habitat. The tree has a distinctive trunk that can be up to 1.5 meters in diameter, with smooth bark that can range in color from light gray to dark brown. The leaves are large and lobed, and the flowers are bell-shaped and typically reddish or pink in color. The tree produces a fruit that is a woody capsule containing many small seeds. Kurrajong trees are commonly found in dry, open woodlands and on rocky slopes in Australia, particularly in New South Wales and Queensland. They are drought-tolerant and can survive in poor soils, making them a popular choice for landscaping in arid regions. In Aboriginal culture, the Kurrajong tree was used for food and medicine, and its bark was used to make fishing nets and bags. Today, the wood is sometimes used for furniture and carving. Overall, Brachychiton populneus is a hardy and attractive tree with cultural significance in Australia.